Hello guys, I'm Jason from the manager, and I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to delete a user FTP account. So for this lesson, the first thing you need to do is log into your Cponer account, then scroll down to file management section, click on your FTP accounts. On this page, it will take you to all the user FTP accounts you created. So click on a specific FTP account you wish to delete. At the right, you see a delete button. Click on that. Confirm. That's it. You successfully deleted your user FTP account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please kindly like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.